Good day everyone, good day my followers and good day my viewers. I am teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics and today's topic is angle of deviation in mirror. And take note, especially for a plane mirror. So this is a past unidel post UTME question. So I'm going to be breaking it down for those people also applying for this particular school. University of Delta. Thank you very much. Sit down, relax, and watch. So here goes the question. So this is the diagram. So always take notes. This is the mirror itself. The plane mirror. Okay. So this is the angle. Incident ray or incident angle is at 35 degrees. From the diagram above, calculate the angle of deviation. From the diagram above, calculate the angle of deviation. Solution. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to redraw this diagram again. Okay, so take notes, it's coming like this. So this is the plane mirror. So since it's a mirror, they are bound to be what? Reflection. Anything mirror. One of the major applications is basically what? Reflection. Okay? So this is 35. So now imagine a line is drawn. A perpendicular line is drawn to this place. Okay? That perpendicular line, we call it the normal. Okay? So the normal. So this I you are seeing here in the question, that is what we call the incident ray. Why? This 35 degree is what we call the incident angle. Okay, don't forget. Now, why solving it? This is 35. How do we get the angle that is here? Okay, so this is 35. How do we get the angle that is here? So to get the angle that is here is going to be what? We're going to say 90 minus 35 to get this angle that is what? This angle here that is inclined to the normal. So 90 minus 35, you're going to have 55 degree. So if I put 55 degree here, take note, it's a mirror, so that bound to be reflection. So this incident ray will now have the reflected part, making it to be what? The also 55 degree. So this one, we'll call this one the arrow, and which is what we call the reflected ray. Okay, so making this 55 here to be our what? Reflected what? Angle or angle of reflection. Okay, so now calculate the angle of deviation. Angle of deviation D is always given as 180 minus 2i. So take note. Here is what? Angle of what? The incident angle, which is 55. The reflected angle, which is also what? 55. So it means that I is equal to R is equal to 55 degree. So D is equal to 180 minus 2 times that is same. I is equal to R. From the law of reflection, we say that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay? So meaning I is equal to R is equal to 55 degrees. So having 55 here. So at the end, 180 minus 2 times 55, you have 110 degree. 180 minus 110 degree, you're going to have the final answer as 70 degree. And this is how you solve questions involving angle of deviation in a plane mirror. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you know you're interested in my online class, please give me a DM. Bye bye.